Welcome to Cook Up Style, where we explore sayings and proverbs from the Caribbean. Today we're going to look at the proverb or saying, when six yeye meet, story done. Which is saying once all the witnesses face each other, the truth can't hide. So when I was growing up, the term story wasn't like a bedtime story. It meant someone that was fabricating or making up something. So someone would say, you're too story, or you're telling story, which means that you're lying or fabricating something. So, when would you drop this proverb? You can drop it in a situation where either a gossip or a thief are finally discovered, or a family situation gets straightened out. In a situation like that, there was a misunderstanding. Now everyone understands the situation, it's all straightened out. So, six eye meet, story done. So in this situation, let's give it a little illustration. We see you thief the bag. Me see you take it. Whoop. When six eye meet, story done. All right. I hope you enjoyed that little scenario. And if these sayings and stories bring back memories or stirs up interest, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. And we'll have some more coming for you. Thank you and have a wonderful day.